The big boss has a big body. Becky brings her baggy pants to the Bali. Put your books in your backpack. Bobby bakes a brownies and buys a cup of coffee. Beanie and Billy buy a Barbie doll and bring it to the bathroom. Peter picked his perfect picture and post to the Instagram. Jump up and play with Patty while Papa packs your passport. Paul wrote a personal poem while puckering his lips. Shape the paper to represent an airplane. Patricia wrote poem for her pen pal. Take your tongue and touch the bottom of your tooth. Tina's tulip and turtle tattoos took one night to complete. The toddler ate little cottages at the hotel. Teddy teased Tina about her scenery picture that she took with her camera. Put the flashlights outside so you can see the street clearly.